This week, I'm going to show you how to set up a case like this for under $50 to protect your drone for your next adventure. Let's get into it. I picked up this case from Bunnings, a local hardware store, but they are readily available at other specialty stores, camera stores, even auto supply places like Autobun, Super Cheap Auto, those sort of places. Now, I picked this up for around $55 from Bunnings, but I have seen them go cheaper at like Super Cheap Auto and Autobun, sometimes on sale for under $50. So you can pick it up quite cheaply. Now the equivalent are probably around $100 to $200 and more. So this case is shockproof, it is waterproof, and it's going to protect your drone for your next adventure. It's going to protect it from the rain, it's going to protect it from dropping it. So this case is made up of one big foam insert, which is made up of little foam squares that can be individually removed to adjust for your specific needs. So as you can see, it holds the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo quite comfortably. I've got all the pieces that came with this, plus a couple of extra bits and pieces. I specifically chose this because I wanted the depth. I wanted the control in an upright position. For me, it was a better utilization of the space, and it actually offered a little bit more protection. I didn't want anything closing on top of the control knobs, and I didn't want to have to take the control knobs out either every time I used it. That's just leaving at risk of losing it a little bit more. Another little tip here too, I've actually numbered my batteries as well. That's just a good way of keeping track of which you've used. I try to use them in number order, obviously, so I know at any given point which one has to be charged. You can see here too, I've actually got a little case over my drone as well. I'll give you a bit of a closer look, and I've adjusted that so it fits quite comfortably and quite tight, so there's not going to be any movement. So if you're an adventurer like me, you really need a case like this that's going to protect your drone under all conditions. And the other little thing I like about it, it's not labelled either, so I don't have DJI written all over it, so when it is sitting around, hopefully it's not going to be too appealing to a lot of people. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps the channel, helps us grow, and I'll be there for the next video. See you next week, guys. Thanks for joining me.